Philippines and hello world. This is Abigail Fernandez with my circle of friends. This is SpongeBob and this is Barney and many more. Well, I'm here to give some information about these cartoon characters and to start, this is SpongeBob. SpongeBob is a sea sponge who lives in a pineapple under the sea. SpongeBob's best friend is a pink starfish named Patrick Star who lives under a rock. SpongeBob's house pet is snail named Gary who meows like a cat like meow. And we also have Winnie the Pooh. Oh, we have two Poohs. Winnie the Pooh is commonly shortened to Pooh Bear, and once referred to as Edward Bear. He is a fictional bear created by A.A. Milne. Milne named the character Winnie the Pooh after a teddy bear owned by his son. We also have here Pooh's friend. Do you know who's this? This is Tigger. He is a fictional tiger character originally introduced in A.A. Milne's book. So, he is easily recognized by his orange and black stripes, beady eyes, long chin, springy tail, and his bouncy personality. Yeah, he bounces like this. We also have here Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Mickey Mouse is a comic animal cartoon character who has become an icon for the Walt Disney Company. Huh?